In an age where environmental concerns are at the forefront, adopting a sustainable lifestyle is more important than ever. Sustainable living isn't just a trend, it's a crucial step toward ensuring a healthier planet for future generations. Embracing eco-friendly practices in your daily life can make a significant difference. And the best part is, many of these changes are easier than you might think. Here are some practical and impactful ways to incorporate sustainability into your everyday routine. One of the simplest ways to start living more sustainably is by reducing waste. Begin by making small adjustments, such as using reusable bags, bottles, and containers. Single-use plastics are a major contributor to environmental pollution, and by opting for reusable alternatives, you can significantly cut down on the amount of waste you produce. Additionally, consider composting kitchen scraps and yard waste. Composting not only reduces the volume of trash that ends up in landfills, but also creates nutrient-rich soil for your garden. Energy efficiency is another crucial aspect of sustainable living. By making a few changes around your home, you can reduce your energy consumption and lower your utility bills. Start by switching to LED light bulbs, which use up to 80% less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs and last longer. Unplugging electronic devices when they're not in use and using energy-efficient appliances can also contribute to a reduction in your household's energy usage. For a more significant impact, consider investing in solar panels or other renewable energy sources to power your home. Sustainable living extends beyond just energy and waste management. It also encompasses the products you use and the choices you make. Opt for eco-friendly products that are biodegradable, made from recycled materials, or produced using sustainable methods. When shopping, look for items with minimal packaging and those that are designed to last longer. Supporting local businesses and buying organic produce not only reduces your carbon footprint, but also supports a more sustainable food system. Making your home more eco-friendly doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Simple changes like using non-toxic cleaning supplies, conserving water, and reducing the amount of single-use items can have a positive impact. For example, installing low-flow shower heads and faucets can significantly reduce water usage without sacrificing performance. Furthermore, adopting a minimalist approach to home decor can reduce clutter and the need for new items, which often come with hidden environmental costs. Another essential aspect of sustainable living is educating yourself and spreading awareness. Share your knowledge with friends and family and encourage them to adopt eco-friendly practices as well. The more people who are aware of the importance of sustainability, the greater the collective impact we can make. Participate in local environmental initiatives and support policies that promote sustainability. Incorporating these eco-friendly practices into your daily life is a powerful way to contribute to a healthier planet. While it may seem challenging at first, remember that even small changes can lead to significant benefits. By adopting a sustainable lifestyle, you are not only improving your own quality of life, but also setting an example for others to follow. Together, we can work towards a more sustainable future and make a positive impact on our environment. Start today by making one small change and gradually build on those efforts. Every step towards sustainability counts, and your actions can inspire others to join in on the journey toward a greener, more eco-friendly world.